Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, viewers. So I'm here with you a new lesson. Uh, that is part 7 of the employee master, adding a record in a table, right? So we are developing it in an extensive way so that with full concentration, the more we polish it up, the more we do, uh, make it systematic and uh, free of hard coding, the easier will be our subsequent development in the forms like customer master and item master and etc. Right? So because the things which we are doing, these are going to be used in the subsequent uh, mm, mm, procedures which we are going to develop. Okay, so let's load this new session, then this new lesson, and in this lesson we will show you how to pick the table name and its range. Okay, let's click OK. Nice. Okay, so for this we have written a procedure. So how to do this, I will show you, explain like that. So we were in the employee master, and this loads the as usual, and you can add the new or you can edit the existing records, right? So that's fine, it is working fair enough. But what we are going to show you today is something very interesting. This is the table, picking up the table name. As you know, all our tables start with a top left corner is A1, right? Whatever the sheet we go, it starts with A1. The table top left corner is A1, and it can extend to downwards variable rows or variable number of columns. But this is for sure that the A1 is going to be the top left corner of each table, in employee table, in customer table, in product table, and peer head or whatever, right? So in the employee table, so the idea is that when we go to the project and we load the employees form, and it has when we execute the show command, what does it happen? The form initialize is activated. Okay, each form, whenever it is executed to show, to come to appear in the screen, the first thing is to be executed is the initialize event, right? The form is initialized. So in the initialize only, we set up this the sheet name once, then later on that sheet name will be stored in a sh variable, and wherever the sheet name is required, the sh will be. So next time, customer, we will write a customer form, and in the initialize part of the customer, we will just replace this emp with the customer, and the rest of the procedure will be, because that is variabilized now. Okay, we are going to use the variable in for this, for referencing the appropriate sheet. Okay, only we will change here. We will make just one change. The rest will remain unchanged. Okay, one of the thing is that. The next is we have written a procedure that this procedure will return you back the table name and the table range. Okay? Table name and table range is returned when you execute this procedure. Okay, when you click on so let's put a breakpoint here so that we can show you what happens, right? Okay, so we go to the interface, and here we are going to click this. So now it is initializing the form, and we put the breakpoint here just to show you that this is a variable thing which is going to be used in a smart way, that it will fill in these two basic required information, that what table it is and what table range is it. Okay, in the beginning it is blank. When it is executed, we click yes. When it is executed, now you can see that it has sensed that in the case of employee, it is employee table. The table name is employee master, and the table range is starting from A2 to U3. This is the body range of it, right? Of course, so that is going to be replaced with the A2 will be A1. So that it takes the header part of the table as well. Okay, so this is the procedure. So what does this procedure do? Let me show you. Let's go to F8. We go to step by step this. Okay. Now it is invoking this procedure. Now it has reached. Now this is a short procedure. It just is check what is the active sheets or list object, right? And that object name is return. Okay. So it is saying for all the list objects within the sheet, get that table name. So the table name is going to be returned. So this is the table name return. Okay, and so how about the range? So for range, we have done a smart thing. That is, we use the go-to command that covers the entire range, right? The entire range of the table, right? And selection.address will return you the range, the address of the A2 to U13. So this is how it is written. Now, this will be once for all, and this is going to be used in all our procedure. So this is the beauty of the object-oriented programming, in which you just pass on the parameter and get the result, and you don't have to type it again and again. Just call that procedure, and it will get the things done for you instantly, and you don't have to worry anymore for the different sheets, right? All you need to do is select that sheet, you initialize that sheet, select the A1 cell, and then you execute this procedure. This is going to get you In case of employee master, it will take the TBL employee master, EMP master as a table name, okay? And its range will be taken, right? So this is how we take the the information about any table. So the beautiful thing is that you put the cursor here. Now you can use anywhere. If you want to know that which table is currently selected, you can use this procedure. Simply select that cell, and it is and execute this with here. So when it comes back, and it is going to tell you the the information about the table in which you are standing and the range of the table, and that is going to be used later on to populate the list box, right? That populate the list box and get the row source data, right? Row source uh, in action, and this is going to bring the all this information. So this is although done for one form, but it is going to be used for all the forms which we will be using in our uh, future development. Okay, thank you very much. See you in the next session then.